Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete your pet on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to delete your pet on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Widgetable app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, open the Widgetable app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you just need to log into your account to remove the pet. So from here you just need to click on the option of more at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option of shop, units, garden, message, events, wallpaper and all of. So click on the option of pets, and here you'll see the number of widgets, eggs, pets and all of it. So currently there is no pet available in my, so if you have pet you just need to go to the pet you wish to remove. So you just need to tap on the pet and open its setting or options menu, and there you'll see the option of release to the wild. So look for the option which says release to the wild, and you just need to confirm that. So you just need to confirm that, and after confirming, the pet will be permanently removed from a device. And the thing is that once the pet is released, you cannot retrieve it again, so you cannot restore the same pet again. So you just need to hatch more eggs and you'll be able to get new pets. So that's it. That's how you can delete the pet on the Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.